Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Robit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a playlist on YouTube in 2022, and not only because this method will be working I think yet a few years, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So please, what you need to do is log in to your account, and next you need to click on the manage videos or YouTube Studio. You may choose what you want. And now here you have three options. Okay, videos, playlists. We click here, and now here in the right up we have option like new playlist. We click here. Now you may add a title. Yes, you may add visibility, public, private, invisible for others. Okay, public. And now refresh. And as you can see, we have playlist. And now to edit this, we click on this pencil. And now you may change here title. If you change it your mind, you here can have add title, which says description, and in these three dots you may add videos. You may cooperate, which may add videos. Settings playlist. Okay, so click on the add and here you may add, but I have problem login. I don't know what's going on, and that's it working. You may do it. And is also second option. If you want add videos to playlist, you click on your videos, for example this, and now look here on the down, and here you have playlist, and now you may add playlist video to playlist which you need, and click on the ready, and you did it. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others. Bye bye, see you next time.